we do find puffins, the best place to find them is right about our level population. Now, horned puffins, as well as puffin puffins, each lay one single egg per year. Now once again here folks, do keep your eyes peeled in the water for those tufted puffins. I'm just not seeing a whole lot of puffins at all. We're going to go check out Chiswell Island and show you some stellar sea lions. So we'll put these stellar sea lions off our starboard, or right hand side. And you got to do me a favor here folks, we're going to try to be as quiet as possible while we're here. I'll tell you more about them after we leave, but you got to remember, the stellar sea lions are still considered a threatened species. So we'll be very quiet here.